channel. So today's video is my November BoxyCharm unboxing, and it seems like a really good box this month. I did go ahead and open it just to make sure I didn't apply anything that was in the box to my face. That is why I only have brows, because we are going to do a look with the products that we received in this month's box. If you do not know what BoxyCharm is, it is I'm not really sure what the price is now. I want to say it's $23 to $25, but it is totally worth it. You get 4 to 5, sometimes 6 full-size products, and the value of the box is usually over $100. So again, it is totally worth it. I do have a link and a referral code down below if you would like to try it out for yourself. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and see what we got in this month's box and what look we create. Okay, so when you first open the box, you get this like little booklet, and it does give you like, I guess like coupons or whatever. And then you open it and you get all the products with the prices and the description, and then like another coupon. And yeah, so this month's theme is BoxyCharm Stellar. And let's just get into the products. Okay, so this obviously isn't full size, but they're doing like samples now. And we got a Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation sample. So I would definitely be trying this out today. And to go along with the foundation, BoxyCharm came out with their first ever brushes. And I know these are like foundation brushes, but go ahead and take these out, and that's what they look like. They're so cool. They're super dense. So you have one that's more like precision, and then one for like all over the face. And these retail for $35. And that's not too bad because the quality feels really nice with these. Okay, so the 3 colors we get is Bamboo, Olive, and Driftwood. They're pretty similar, just like obviously like different tones. I think this one's more like peachy, but it's actually a really small sample, so this is gonna be weird, but I think I'm gonna use all 3. I'm gonna use like Bamboo for like the perimeter of my face, Olive for like majority of my face, and then probably Driftwood to kind of highlight. So we can get like a feel for the whole foundation, because this is like a super tiny sample, if you see. It's really not gonna cover much, but hopefully this works out. Okay, so I did go ahead and apply the foundation to my face. We actually had enough to cover. I'm not sure how it's coming off on camera, but it looks pretty good in the mirror. I really like the brushes. I'm not sure if I really like it for foundation though. There was like some, I guess, shedding. I did find like some little brush hairs on my face. But yeah, so far I really do like how the foundation like covered and how it feels. Since it is, I think it is like a matte foundation, I'm not really sure, it doesn't say matte. I feel like it is clinging to some of my dry patches, but it does look very natural looking. The next thing in the box is by Juice Beauty, and it is their Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment, and this retails for $50, which is pretty much double the price of your box. And this is a full size, so this is what this looks like. This is 0.5 fluid ounces, and this is how the applicator looks. So I'm guessing, not sure how. Oh, gently press to dispense product, then massage the applicator around the entire eye, starting at the inner corner. Okay, so I probably should have done this before I applied foundation, but I totally forgot that we got this in the box. But I haven't put concealer on yet, so I'm just going to try it out. So just gently press. Okay, so it absorbs very quickly into the skin, which is really nice. And it feels so good. Like, it's not cooling, but it has like, I'm not sure how to explain it. It just feels like a really nice product. So I would definitely be, I would definitely keep trying that out, and I will let you know if I see any results. The next product in the box, I'm gonna try to go in order, is by Gerard Cosmetics, and it is the Celestial Thunder palette. And I heard this was made specifically for this month's BoxyCharm, and this is what this looks like. It's so pretty, and you do get a mirror, but this is gorgeous. The top three are like a shimmer, and then the rest are matte. I really don't know what kind of look I want to go for, but it's so pretty. Before I forget to tell you, this retails for $35. So go ahead and create an eye look. I'm gonna speed through it, and then I'll come back and let you know what I think of these shadows. Okay, so this is the finished eyeshadow. I did go ahead and apply a wing and some shadow to my lower lash line. But the next thing in the box is also for the eyes, and it's the Lily Lashes and BoxyCharm lashes in the style CEO, and that's what these look like. I guess they collabed for this box as well. And these retail for $25, and they are so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara and apply these lashes, and we'll see how easy they are to apply. Okay, so these have to be like the easiest lashes I've ever applied. This is actually my first time using Lily lashes. I've always wanted to purchase them, but I just never, like, I don't know, I've just never justified spending over $10 for lashes. That's just me. But these actually might not be the last pair I try. Okay, so the last thing that we got in this month's box is another Becca product, but this one is full size. This is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed in Champagne Pop, and this retails for $38. This was a collab before with Jaclyn Hill. She did create this color with them, and I do have that one, but I am not going to open this one or use this one. I might put it in a giveaway or just give it away to my sister or something. But this is what it looks like. So this is mine, my old one. I have to angle it like this so you can get like the true color, but it's more of a like pinky champagne shade. That's what that looks like, if you can see it. So let's go ahead and apply this to the cheeks. So I did go ahead and apply that to my brow bone and inner corner as well. So this is the completed look using this month's BoxyCharm products. I will say this is probably one of my favorite boxes we've gotten in the last few months. The past, like, I want to say 2 or 3 months have not been the best, but I still think it is worth it even when they're not like the best boxes, because you do get full-size products and things that you typically wouldn't buy for yourself, you know, to try. Like, you want to try it, but you just wouldn't spend the money on it, I guess. But yeah, so BoxyCharm is a really good opportunity for that. Yeah, I really like the eyeshadow palette. I love these lashes. And the brushes were pretty good too. I probably would try them with powder instead of foundation. I like the foundation, so maybe I will end up spending the money and getting a full size, but we'll see how it wears throughout the day. And of course, I love this highlight. I've loved it since I bought it. That's the reason why I bought it. And I would definitely keep trying out the eye treatment thing, and I will definitely let y'all know. Oh, and of course, before I forget, the total value of everything in my box came out to $183, which is probably the most my box has ever cost. And yeah, it's just so crazy. But again, if you would like to try BoxyCharm out, I do have a link with the referral code down below. It is totally worth it. Try it out for a month or 2, and you will not be disappointed. But yeah, so that completes today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe if you have not already. I would love for you to join my little YouTube family, and I will see you all in the next one.